everybody, today we're making a veggie pizza.
First, add in 1½ cup of flour. Then add in 3/4 teaspoon of yeast, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together and add in 2/3 of a cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of oil. But remember, do not add in all of it. You might not need that much water or oil. Stop adding when your dough forms. Sprinkle flour on your work surface and spread it out. Then knead your dough about 50 turns. After kneading, your dough should look like this. Place it in a bowl. And cover it with a damp towel or sling wrap and let it rest for an hour. It's been an hour and the dough has risen. Punch down the dough with a fist and take it out. Knead the dough a little bit more before rolling. After kneading, roll out your dough using a rolling pin. After rolling, it should look like this. Then take ½ a cup of canned tomato sauce and spread it out evenly on your pizza dough. Sprinkle on 2/3 a cup of cheese. I used a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar. Remember, you can put on any topping you would wish. After sprinkling your cheese, put on your veggies. I used 2 colors of bell peppers, red and yellow. After putting on the bell peppers, put it in the oven and bake it for 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. After baking, ask a parent or guardian to help you take out the pizza. Place them on a plate and you can enjoy straight away or let it warm and cool down. We hope you enjoy!